Hello and welcome to our video on the art of public speaking. Public speaking can be a daunting task, but with the right approach, anyone can become an effective and engaging public speaker. In this video, we will be discussing the basic steps to build your public speaking skills. Step 1: Preparation. One of the most important aspects of effective public speaking is preparation. It's crucial to research your topic thoroughly and develop a clear and concise structure for your presentation. This will help you stay organized and on track during your speech. Practice your delivery to ensure that you're comfortable and confident in presenting your material. Step 2: Understanding your audience. Understanding your audience is critical to delivering an effective speech. You need to consider who your audience is, what they expect from your presentation, and how you can tailor your message to speak to them effectively. Research your audience beforehand or engage with them during your presentation by asking questions or eliciting feedback. Step 3: Using appropriate body language. Using appropriate body language can greatly enhance your delivery and help you connect with your audience. This includes having good posture, maintaining eye contact, and using hand gestures to emphasize important points. Practice your body language in front of a mirror or with friends to ensure that it appears natural and confident. Step 4: Starting with a strong opening. Starting with a strong opening can help you grab your audience's attention and set the tone for the rest of your presentation. This can involve using a story, a quote, or an attention-grabbing fact to get your audience engaged. Step 5: Making your presentation more engaging. Making your presentation more engaging by using humor, visual aids, or interactive activities can help you hold your audience's attention and create a more memorable experience for them. In conclusion, with regular practice and the implementation of these basic steps, anyone can become a confident and persuasive public speaker. Remember, preparation, understanding your audience, using appropriate body language, starting with a strong opening, and making your presentation more engaging are all key factors to consider when building effective public speaking skills. Thank you for watching our video on the art of public speaking. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on public speaking.